So if our diameter is 7, we're going to type into our calculators 3.14 times 7, and that should give us 21.98. 21.98. And again, sorry for the handwriting. Apologize. So, we were talking about just finding circumference when given the diameter, but sometimes you're not given the diameter. Sometimes you're given the radius instead. So, we need to discuss how do we find circumference if we're given the radius. So, if we're given the radius, say the radius this time is 3. No, there you go. The radius is 3, and we have to find circumference. Let's talk about how we do that. So, we need to find our diameter. So if our radius is 3, the diameter is twice the radius, or twice as long as the radius, so the diameter would be 6. So now we can use our formula, which is right here, 3.14 times the diameter, which in this case is 6. 3.14 times 6. 3.14 times 6. And you'll get 18.84. I don't know why that's not working. 18.84. Okay. So if you're given the radius, you're going to have to multiply it by 2 first in order to find the circumference, because the radius is half of the diameter. And keep in mind, sometimes you'll be given the radius and asked to find the circumference. And that's okay. Just know that the radius is half of the diameter. So let me clear this all out and let's try another one. Just for good measure. Let's say our radius this time is going to be 4. Okay, keeping small numbers here. So radius is 4, and we know the circumference formula is 3.14 times the diameter. So we got to find the diameter because we don't have the diameter. We have the smaller line, the radius. We need to find the diameter. So we're going to take our radius 4. And we're going to think about what's twice as 4. What is 2 times 4? Or 4 plus 4? And the answer is going to give me 8. So my diameter is going to be 8. So if I had 2 of these 4 lines, it would add to be 8. So I'm going to type in my calculator 3.14 times 8. 3.14 times 8. And that should give me 25.12. So if you had your radius and you want to find your circumference, you're going to have to go find the diameter first. And the diameter is twice the radius. So take your radius, multiply it by 2. And you're going to do 3.14 times whatever your diameter is. In this case, our diameter is 8. That's not the 8. Let me try. There we go. That's better. All right.